Good morning, students. Welcome back to a computer class. Today, we are studying our fourth chapter, that is Queries, Forms, and Reports in MS Access 2016. MS Access 2016 is an application software of MS Office package, Microsoft Office package का एक बेटा ये important है. First, we will learn definitions. What is query? A query displays a specific record from a table that meet a certain criteria. Criteria means condition. हम जैसे कोई कंडीशन देते हैं तो वो सिर्फ वही रिकॉर्ड दिखाएगी. जैसे कि हम बोले कि इस अभिषेक नाम के रिकॉर्ड दिखाओ तो वो सिर्फ अभिषेक नाम की रिकॉर्ड ही डिस्प्ले करेगी. Then next is form. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. User can add, update and delete records in table using a form. Then the last one is report. A report is an effective way to present data in a printed format. Just like हमारा report card भी आता है तो एक printed form में होता है तो देखने में अच्छा लगता है और सब कुछ information उसमें available होती है. Then next, how to create a query. To create a query, user have to follow the given step. First, click the create tab on the ribbon. Second, click the query design from the queries group. Then the show table dialog box appears. Choose the table on which you want to generate your query. Next, click add button. The selected table is added in the query window. And lastly, click the close button. In this way, we can create a query. The next is query window. The query window is divided into two panes. The top pane displays the table selected for the query and the bottom pane displays the design grid where you can add fields to the query and also specify the criteria. Then the design grid shows the following heading. First is field row. Field row displays the fields from the selected table. The next is table. Table row displays the name of the table. Then next is शॉर्ट रो. शॉर्ट रो इज टू फिल्टर द डेटा इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब ये सॉर्टिंग के लिए काम आता है. देन नेक्स्ट इज शो रो डिस्प्लेज अ चेक मार्क विच इंडिकेट दैट दिस फील्ड विल बी विजिबल व्हेन द क्वेरी इज एग्जीक्यूटेड, मतलब जब क्वेरी चलेगी तो ये वाली रो विजिबल होगी. देन नेक्स्ट इज क्राइटेरिया रो. दिस इज यूज्ड टू स्पेसिफाई द कंडीशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच द रिकॉर्ड्स विल बी filtered. And the last one is or row. Or row is used to specify multiple criteria. So these are the main headings: field, table, short, show, criteria and or. The next heading is how to use a query. एक query को कैसे use करते हैं? To use a query, user need to add field, specify the criteria in the design grid and then run the query. For this, user have to follow the given step. First, choose the required field from the drop down list of the field row in the design grid or simply double click on the field from the table in the top pane. Then next is select the order of sorting in the sort row, specify the criteria in the criteria row. Then now to see the result of the query, click the run from the result group in the design tab of the ribbon. In this way, user can use a query. The next important topic is setting relationship. A relationship works by matching data in key field, usually a field with the same name in both table. In most cases, these matching fields are the primary key from the one table, which provide a unique identifier for each record and a foreign key in the another table. Next, how to create a relationship. Relationship को कैसे create करते हैं? User have to follow the given step. First, create both the tables and open one of them in the datasheet view. Click the table tab on the ribbon. Then next, click on the relationship from the relationships group. The show table dialog box appears. Now select the table and then click the add button. Select another table to the link and click the add button. And lastly, close the button. In this way, user can create the relationship. Now drag the primary key of the parent table and drop it into the same field in the child table. The edit relationship dialog box appears. Now click the create button. User will see the relationship created and your work, save your work. In this way, user can create a relationship. The next important heading is creating a form. How to create a form? First, click the create tab on the ribbon. Then next, click the form from the forms group. Access created creates a form and places all the field of the selected table on the form. Then next is how to view a form. To view a form, there is first is form view is used to enter or edit data. अगर आपको data enter या edit करना है तो हमें कौन सा view काम में लेना पड़ेगा? Form view. Then next is layout view. Layout view allows you to see the data as it will appear when you are using the form. You can also change the form design in this view. The form is actually running when it is shown in the layout view. The next last is design view. Design view give you more detailed view of the structure of the form. You can see three section of the form header, details and form footer. हम क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? फॉर्म का header, footer और detail. The form is not actually running when it is shown in the design view. Next heading is formatting a form. By formatting a form means by this user can change appearance of the form. Using design tab or using format tab, user can edit a form. Now how to create a report? To create a report, first user have to click on create tab, then report option. There are four views in which a report can be displayed. First is report view, second is print preview, next is layout view, and last one is design view. User can change the format of report using the themes from the themes group of the design tab. So student, in this way we have learned how to create form, how to create a query and how to create a report. A query, what is a query? A query displays specific record from a table that meet a certain criteria. So in this way we have learned about the query, report and form. With this video, I am sending question answer of this chapter which you have to do in your notebook. Thank you class for watching.